Yeah, this shit is a layup. Lame niggas slacking on the defense, need to play up. Body to body with me, you better get your weight up. Coming out the gulag, so you know you better plate up. Headshot, killing everybody trying to stand in my way. Stay in your lane, ain't the one you wanna fuck with today. I ain't the only motherfucker about to give you the fade. I got the crib with me and they about to show you the J's. I got the rap game, talk about was he the best. Got a crib full of bad bitches showing their breath. I rest less and feel less stressed because my band's up. Now everybody get your motherfucking hands up.
Shawty wanna fuck cause I'm all right now. Shawty wanna fuck cause I'm all right now. Yeah, it's all right now cause Shawty wanna fuck cause I'm all right now. Shawty wanna fuck cause I'm all right now. Yeah, it's all right now, right now. Stupid, honest, Nostradamus evil. Twin, but my predictions ought to leave you twisted, contradicting all your sins, but I'm addicted. Yeah, I'ma die for this shit. No more opposition cause my condition lethal. Is it cause I'm wet they treat me like a beetle? What they don't know is my kryptonite, a needle. Put me on a pedestal, don't live a life that
enemy
equals.
to keep, just purchased 3 lofts. Burning up the street, invested, we bought. Just admitted weak contestants, see elite. Fuck if you don't like the heat, then cut the beat off. Y'all don't lost your goddamn mind if you thinking that my team ain't about to rise and grind. We the meanest, undefeated till the sun don't shine. In the stool, making moves, never losing, cause we do this all the time, bitch.
Shawty wanna fuck cause I'm all right now. Shawty wanna fuck cause I'm all right now. Yeah, it's all right now cause Shawty wanna fuck cause I'm all right now. Shawty wanna fuck cause I'm all right now. Yeah, it's all right now, right now.
Yeah, I'm the one your bitch like. Only nigga that can really fuck your bitch right. 6'9" in the fast lane, fast brain, top down. Cause your shawty wanna feel what the 808's like. She gon' make me give her head twice. Cause she whipping cars, screaming, running through them red lights. She my danger days, shawty Haley Williams with the pipes. And I know she getting freaky in the night. Believe me, she freaky. Cause me, she, and 3 of her best friends, we go out the West End. When I get my check in, up a bed at breakfast. Till I get them naked, we get the sex in. You question why she really fuck with me. Is it the drugs or the thugs or the big money? And it ain't funny, cause she really got you feeling like a nigga ain't been dealing with some rich Chinese, and that's facts.